Howdy, folks. Today we're doing something called Kretchma. Kretchma. Weird name. Also, I would be remiss to not note that this without grenadine is called a Ninichka. Ninichka! If you want something that's even more fun to say, don't use grenadine. We're using grenadine though, and we're making a Kretchma. So 1 part lemon juice to start off with. I would recommend always using fresh lemon, but I did not prepare. Then 2 parts creme de cacao. Kind of weird to mix lemon with creme de cacao, I think. I feel like we've done that in the past and it turned out to be like a pretty good combo, but it sounds so weird. Then you use 3 to 5 parts vodka, so I guess I'll split the difference and do 4 parts vodka. Then you add ice. All drinks are shaken, not stirred. Some drinks are stirred. I don't know why you would ever stir a martini, though. Seems weird. Like, probably don't even need to say shaken, not stirred when it's a martini. So right now this is a Ninichka, but we're gonna add this and make it the whatever we're making. What is it? Kamcha. So it's 1 to 2 dashes of this, which is always a little sketchy. It's probably too much. To each drink. So I made 2 drinks. Merry Kretchma!
Merry Kretchma.
It's a Kretchma. It looks kind of cool.
It's strange.
It's not bad. It definitely just...
It tastes like a almost cherry-ish Tootsie Roll.
Yeah, like a kind of cherry. I don't know how to describe this. It's so weird.
It's actually not bad.
It's not bad. It's good, but it's like... I've never had anything like this. It's good, but strange. Anyways, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and try yourself a Kretchma. It's fun to say. Should be like easy to spell once you look at it, I guess. Bye.